Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Let's dive into this video. Today we're going to go over my top 3 Solana tokens. So nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk. If you get something out of this, smash a like button, also subscribe and comment whatever questions you have down below. So we're going to get into 3 tokens that I think are going to do well. So we're going to assume that we have another leg up. And currently, if we take a look at the numbers here, we're at a $2.46 trillion market cap. Solana's number 5, probably going to be number 3 soon. Or, it could even pass ETH before you know it. But at the end of the day, we're 27 days away from the halving. Today we are March 23rd, 2024 at the time of this recording. And there are 3 tokens that I think are going to do very well. Now, we're going to go from number 3 to number 1. I only own number 1, so I own a bit of that token. The other tokens I don't own. So I'm not trying to pump a token. I'm just sharing with you what I think will do well. And if you want, at the end of the day, you could also just pick up some Solana. So currently I'm picking up Solana. I'm always adding to my copy when I can. And I'm going to own a little bit more of number 1. So let's dive into it right now. Comment down below if you agree or not. Number 1, we're going to talk about WIF for a minute. So this is Dog WIF Hat. This is obviously a meme token, but I think this thing could go much higher. So if you take a look on the year, you'd be crushing it. But this thing isn't going to go away. There's something about it where the name, the simplicity, right? It just works, right? Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. And if you go to the website, it is terrible. It's egregious. Look at that. What the heck, man? But this is what, literally just a dog with a hat. This is my first time on the website. Yeah, I mean, invest at your own risk. But this project has been crushing it. And when it comes to memes, let's take a look. I mean, this thing's a top player now. And the reason I think it's going to do even better than where it is now is because, think about it this way. You can do so much more with Solana without spending $100 compared to Ethereum. And if you're looking at the memes, right, you're going to want to pick up a Solana meme token. If Sol does well, you're going to want to pick up some WIF probably. So this thing's going to continue to do well, in my opinion. Pepe, I mean, it's going to cross Pepe probably. And if you look at the top ones, right, we got Doge. I owned Doge last cycle a little bit. I did really well in Doge, considering I only put in like $20 in like 2016. Whole other story. But this dog with hat, this could be a 10x. So I just wanted to mention that. That's my number 3. Not telling you to pick any up. I own 0 right now. I probably will never pick this up. I'm playing a different game right now. I'm mostly copy. I'm investing in things that are serious. And yeah, it's just the way it's been going. So number 2, let's talk about Jupe. Okay, so we got the Jupe aggregator. I guess we can look up the token. This is a DEX aggregator. So it's going to pull and give you the best prices on your swaps for Solana. So let's take a look at the price. This also came to be in the form of an airdrop not that long ago. I've done a video on it. And I recommend, if you want to, you guys can go to Jupe, connect your wallet. So I think I got one little wallet connected here. Yeah, so I got, I think, a hardware wallet connected on this one. So with Solana, what's interesting is that, when you want to get other assets, when you want to get WIF, when you want to get whatever, you're going to want to use a DEX, right? A decentralized exchange. And let's see what WIF is at here. Let's go to it. So we got WIF here. And yeah, you could very easily swap. And the price difference is not too bad. So, I can pick up 187 WIF, it looks like, for 2.4. Numbers will be fluctuating here. So basically when you use this DEX ag jupe, you're going to see exactly how it's routing your transaction. So instead of going on one DEX, trying to find a good price and compare it to others, you can go right to jupe and you can aggregate and find the best price on your swaps. So that's a massive deal. On top of that, you've got your DCA. So I've done videos on this showing you guys how this works. And I recommend you use this if you want to get into Solana, because you can also get, you could also receive that second round of airdrops potentially. So I don't know when they're coming out exactly, but it could happen. So I don't own any jupe, did not get the airdrop. Otherwise I would have a lot more SOL to play with. So the next one is going to be Render. This is number one. I like Render. And yeah, let's take a look at Render here. RNDR, I believe. And it used to be Render, used to be actually different, but they changed the name of their ticker because I think they moved their tokens to Solana itself. I did find this article here. So Render is switching to Solana after 10xing this year. The decentralized compute platform also implemented a new burn in Mint equilibrium model. So we got Render Foundation announces today it's successful transferred its tokens onto Solana, changing the coin's ticker RNDR to Render. Really cool. So market cap 1.7. So this was a little while ago when it came to this article and whatnot. But ultimately, you guys should check out the website. Check out Render. When you imagine the world, and there's a really cool chart here. I think this is pretty cool. So, no, not this one, this one. So if you believe that we're going to see advancements, improvements in media, in industry, in augmented reality, mixed reality, gaming, right? Medical field, virtual reality. Well, this takes computing power. So the Render network is the first network to transform the power of GPU compute into a decentralized economy of connected 3D assets. So we could check out the paper. They have a big team here, and they've been around for quite a while now. And I think this is going to do really well in the upcoming run. So if you believe in AI as a play, if you believe in data, decentralized data, you know, that's where this is going to be a big play. So Render Network provides near unlimited decentralized GPU computing power for the next generation 3D content creation. So AI, all these things, that's where it's going to come into play. So network scalability, efficient infrastructure, better use of GPU power. So of course you have the digital rights management as well. So really cool. And ultimately, this thing is doing well. So on the year, 700%, on the month, 50%. And I can't complain. I got a little bit of these tokens. I didn't get in at the best time, but I'm thinking long term. These are three projects that if Solana is still doing well, I think these projects are going to do well. So again, at number 3, I've got Whiff. Number 2, I got Jupe. Number 1, I've got Render. And I think these projects will do quite well. Comment down below, what are your top 3 Solana picks? So I'm going to be entering and doing a lot more with Solana in the near future. So if you guys want, check out the link tree. If you want, pick up a hardware wallet. I got links. Save yourself some money on a Tangem. So go here to the link. Use code MOOSE. Go to Get Tangem. Save up to 10% off your Tangem and up to 25% off a Trezor Model T. You have to protect yourself with crypto using cold storage. It's a way in which you can own your keys. Now your keys, not your cheese. That's all we got for you. We'll see you guys in the next one. Please comment down below.